At Superior Industrial Services, we own actually two BB5000s and a BB4500. I've been using this equipment for years, and when we started this company, there was no question about it that we were going to own this equipment. Now, especially now with the Ibenstock drive motors, they've really increased the our capabilities of what we can do with that equipment. They're reversible, they're variable speed, they're lightweight, they're easy to move around. That equipment with that new drive motor, again, has really increased the jobs that we can take on. And we don't use this equipment just for boring. We have utilized Climax's drilling options, and with spade drills we've been able to drill 36 inches deep into a blind hole with this equipment, and especially with the ability to use the hydraulic drive systems, it's just really a versatile tool, and it allows us to do things that others can't do in the industry because we have that ability. And the reliability of that equipment, the quality of the bearings, they used chrome bars, which some others don't do. We couldn't be happier with the life that we're getting out of that equipment.